never took a L, lesson learned, and I bounce back. Tripping off a nigga, man, for what? I just fall back. I don't have the time to be giving out my time. Haters trying to dim my light, cause they know I'm about to shine. When they say I'm not hot, now you know you niggas lying.
What's up, y'all? I'm Kadijah Nicole, and welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a DIY hair detangler with all natural ingredients. As you guys can see, my hair is super tangled right now. This is an old wash and go, and it definitely needs to be managed. So that's what we're going to get into in today's video. So first, I'm going to go ahead and start separating my hair off into sections. As you know, I always like to work in sections. It just makes everything so much easier. So once my hair is completely sectioned off into my 4 sections, I will begin applying the mixture. But hold up, what is your girl using? Here I have a half a cup of warm water, some apple cider vinegar, some extra virgin olive oil, and my spray bottle. So I'm going to open my spray bottle and pour in the half a cup of warm water. Next, I'm going to pour in a half a cup of apple cider vinegar. And then lastly, I'm going to pour in 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Once I have everything completely together, I'm going to shake it up so everything gets blended really good. So back to the hair. Now I am spraying the mixture all over the section. As y'all can see, it's just so tangled. It's a mess. But yes, I'm just spraying the whole hair right now with the mixture. And I'm trying to, like, you know, just kind of work with it, but it ain't really working for me right now. And I just feel like I need to hop in the shower and detangle my hair, because that's usually how I detangle my hair. So I'm trying it out, trying to, you know, break it up into smaller sections, but it's really just not working for your girl. So I have hopped in the shower like I said I was going to. And once I've completely soaked the section, now I'm going to spray the mixture all over my hair. And y'all, I'm making this face because apple cider vinegar is like really strong, and yeah, so try to keep it away from your eyes as well, because it will burn if you get apple cider vinegar in your eyes. But yeah, so now it was becoming a lot easier to detangle the hair. And I just want to let you guys know apple cider vinegar is great for balancing out the natural pH of your hair, which in turn makes your hair a lot shinier, less prone to breakage, and even more moisturized. So here I am just breaking up my tangles, which are actually coming out a lot easier than I expected. And I am just using my comb now to detangle, working at my ends, working my way up the section. And right now I haven't shampooed my hair or done anything. Right now it has just been strictly hopping in the shower with warm water and spraying the mixture onto my hair. And as you guys can see, it is detangling a whole lot better. And I completely did this whole section now. So now I've did the whole side, and I went ahead and shampooed that side. Well, I actually went ahead and shampooed my whole head because I wanted to try a different technique out for the other side. So right now I am rinsing out the shampoo because I wanted to go in with the mixture after it has been shampooed to see it would be a difference between, you know, doing it with just water in my hair and actually shampooing and then doing it. And I think I like doing it by shampooing and then spraying in the detangler mixture. So right now I'm just, you know, continuing to work out any knots after I've sprayed the detangling mixture on my hair. Just working from my ends and working my way up. Also, just to let you guys know, apple cider vinegar is great for removing product buildup. It helps to define your curls and bring out your natural volume. And it also helps with hair growth because, like I said, it helps to balance out your natural pH. And that is cleansing your scalp, you know, all in turn that is going to help stimulate your hair to grow. So here I am finishing up with my last section. And I do recommend, if you do use this detangler, to spray the actual mixture like right into the hair, because like I said, this apple cider vinegar is strong. And yes, it worked a lot better when I put the actual nozzle like right in my hair. And definitely with detangling your hair working in smaller sections is the way to go. It's just gonna make detangling so much easier. I really enjoyed using this detangler, and I definitely will continue to use it because apple cider vinegar comes with so many benefits, and adding in the extra virgin olive oil just adds to the benefits because, you know, oils have, you know, those good benefits for healthy hair. So yeah, I'm definitely going to continue to keep this in my routine. Hope you guys really enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Helps your girl out. If you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button below and join the team. Right after that, make sure you hit that notification bell so you are instantly notified for whenever your girl posts a new video. And you'll look at them tangles just melted. Yes. And with all of that being said, your girl is out. Deuces.
Young black boy, black skin, that my brody. Young black girl, black skin, she so lovely. All my little homies in the hood, some of them thuggin'. But mother, for your standards, my head nappy, bitch, I love it.